In this video, we'll show you how to install your 70mai T800 Dual 4K dashcam step by step, making it easy to get started. Mount the dashcam in one of the recommended positions of the front windshield as appropriate, near the center of the rear view mirror, on the front of the passenger seat. Make sure the camera is below the level line of the rear view mirror. Clean the selected area and attach the electrostatic sticker to the selected position. Press the sticker to remove air bubbles. Avoid the edge of the windshield and select a flat and smooth area for the installation. Keep the windshield clean and dry to prevent sticker loss and dashcam drop. Insert the SD card into the memory card slot until you hear a click sound. Ensure it is properly seated before powering on the device. Paste the dashcam on the electrostatic sticker. Make sure the gap on the adhesive sticker aligns with that on the electrostatic sticker, and the display screen faces the car interior. Plug the car charger into the cigarette lighter socket, then plug the power cord into the dashcam and check if it turns on normally. Route the power cord to the vehicle's power outlet. Use the included wiring trim tool to hide the power cord underneath the vehicle's headliner and rubber seal along the A-pillar. Clean and dry the rear windshield thoroughly. Peel off the adhesive backing from the mounting sticker and attach the camera in the desired position. Ensure it's secure and adjust the angle for a clear view of the rear. Finally, connect the cable to complete the installation. That's all it takes to install your 70mai T800 4K dashcam. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.